Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Sherwood Park local and long-distance movers near me. Are you trying to find the best cheap Sherwood Park moving company for your needs? 3 Movers offers local and long-distance moving services to help you get just what you need. We offer affordable rates with all types of moving services to consider. Our team has helped both commercial and residential clients move, no matter how far it must go. Start with a moving quote for your long-distance move and consider adding the following options: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. We provide you with plenty of options to make relocating easier. Our team will ensure you get the most to help make your long-distance move easier. Get the help you need, whether you're going 100 miles, 1,000 miles, or even further. Finding the right Canada moving company can help make your move faster and easier. Even a local move requires a ton of work. Do you want to do the heavy lifting, packing, and many other tasks your local move will require? 3 Movers will provide you with the best local moving services. Our team will make sure you get the help you need when you need it. We know how to make your move more efficient. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sherwood Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.